woke up the bird.
They done woke up the bird.
They done woke up the bird. They done woke up the bird. Now I give me a turn.
He hit 5 threes.
So who got some left?
Hey, just him. He ain't hit shit.
Like Michael
He hit
Jordan.
Nothing. In the game, 102 left. It's over.
How many he supposed to be hitting?
4.
I thought you said
I don't even know what to say, you know, boy. I'm happy.
Step back and go dump it, nigga. Nigga wanna run.
Hold on, let go. I'm trying to do his name. I'm trying to do his name, 'cause they got my nigga pissed off. He got my last, my first name. Hey, step on and be like a serial killer. Play with me, nigga, get hit and get tough. Traumatized.
I stopped. Traumatized, I might tweet you stir. Traumatized, I might tweet you stir. Boys in the hood with his shit in the back.
Watch how move. Thief in the night, crank up and go home. Speed, throw it in the track, no scat. Nigga, talk bluff and that shit whack. Boys in the hood with his shit in the back.
Hey, bro, I get days off move every time. This shit happen because
boys in the hood with his shit in the back.
This nigga, he did this shit before.
Out the mud with these Legos, just watch how I stack.
I gotta get right YouTube. Hold on. Bird. They done woke up the bird, shit, but they know who I'm next. I feel like I been my life off the stretch. She coming back and she know I'm the best. Key to shit P, I can't do nothing less. 21 questions, it's time to confess. Who get the money, do more and say less. Who really capping, ain't get to a check. Really could pop, but I don't like the flesh. Damn. But yeah, I'm probably changing it because the beat switching.
It's Slutty Two Sisters.
Slutty Two Sisters, shout out to my ex. She made that happen. I wasn't even gonna do it, you know what I'm saying? She made it happen though, shout out.
I ain't gonna lie, you could've put that in there, you like.
You know what I'm saying? I just got it from the beat. You know what I'm saying? She made it happen though. She made everything possible. So I can't even complain. It's crossed out the bucket list. You know what I'm saying? Not split. And so we not give a fuck about who next. Slutty Two Sisters. Shout out to my ex. Get back with motherfucker. I'm on their neck.
Shit in they face like a blur. Shit make it hate that nigga. Well, the mood, they done woke up the bird. If it ain't in my business, then why would I care? I'm giving the blue, gotta get it. Don't got no time for the snooze. Crystal, oh, watch how I move. Thief in the night, crank up and go wrong. Speed, throw it in the track, no scat. Talk bluff, that shit whack. Boys in the hood with his shit in the back. These Legos, just watch how I stay. Bitches putting on the X for a play. Smoke in the air, know we puffin'. Bitches turn this shit to the max. They don't want to burn, they don't want a nigga up, nigga. They don't want to burn, they don't want me up.
They done woke up the bird, shit, but they know who I'm next. I feel like I'm my life off the stretch. She coming back and she know I'm the best. I can't do nothing less. 21 questions, it's time to confess. Who gets the money, do more and say less. Who really care when they get to a check? Who really care when they get to a check? Who really care when they get to a check? Really good power, but I like flex. And so we talking before about who next. Slutty Two Sisters, shout out to my ex. Get back with motherfucker, I'm on their neck. Snapping they bill like it's missing their necks. We really on it, so don't try to test. Really been answer, pop out with the test. What's up with YouTube? It's your boy Kavo1K, and if you tune in today's video, you tune into another vlog, you know what I'm saying? And today we just, you know, on some chill stuff. And I'm at the park, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the park where we do the spinning, and if y'all watched the last vlog, I'm at that same park, you know what I'm saying? Cause, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, some shit happened, but you know what I'm saying? Today we just finna kick it, vibe, vlog, you know what I'm saying? Your boy looking dusty, crusty, I know. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna get right soon, finna get my haircut, finna get, you know what I'm saying, the retwist, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got a lot of videos on the way, but look, like I said, yeah, I'm just finna pick up the camera, had the vlog, cause I'm like, dang, I do this every day now. Like, that was one of my things for 2024, like, everywhere I go, no matter where I'm going, I'm just bringing the camera. And if I don't know if y'all can hear, but hey, it is some whips outside today for sure. But look, it's your boy Kevin1K. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more lit content. So I'm straight into it, gang. These folks pulled up deep today. I ain't gonna count. No count. And I had just pulled the camera out, so damn. That be loud as fuck. Them motherfuckers are loud. I don't know where he at. Them folks ain't bullshitting today for sure. On God, everybody sliding that shit.
When I see the way you act, wondering when I'm coming back, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love.
YouTube, we just chilling right now, you know what I'm saying? I think everybody about done pulling up, you know what I'm saying? Everybody done pulled up, showed off their whips, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So right now we just kicking it, vibing. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I guess I'm gonna pick back up the camera when some more shit start going on, when we finna dip, you know what I'm saying? Cause we got a few things to do, but look, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Your boy had to pick up the camera today. Gang.
Now, baby, let me speak on the hood. Caked up, got seats on the wood. Sold on the block, no receipts for the jug. Did it by myself, never needed no gang, yeah. Understood. Overstood. I'm really on some, you know, hold my nuts on these niggas.
Hey, they don't walk up the bird. They don't walk up the bird. They don't walk up the bird. They don't walk up the bird.
Ran the mouth, catch the shit out the air. He said this something, we leave him in there. Keep sticks, know I play with the snare. Traumatized, I might tweet you, be stirred. Shit in they face like a bird. Shit make it hate, that nigga.
my God, y'all, YouTube, bro. Y'all probably, hold on, bro. Let me fix the cam so y'all can add. It snowed everywhere, bro. No cap. And we finna get ready and play in the snow for a little minute, kick it vibe, cause it ain't snowed in Memphis in a minute. So why not?
Gentle B.
Like y'all, it's like -3 degrees outside right now. I got ice all in my goddamn shoe. It's crazy.
Come and wipe your face. Don't hit me in no snow.
It's really all in my feet. But alright, now you two, you know what I'm saying? We probably finna kick it a little longer out here, then go back in. It's cold as a mug.
As a mug. Can't wipe your face. You got some on your nose.
Wipe your face.
No, you got some on your nose.
Yeah, y'all, we probably finna kick it a little longer, then go back in. It's your boy K1K. If you like, come subscribe. And yeah, the camera like it's lagging. That's how cold it is out here right now. So I'm finna bring the camera in. But look, y'all boys, stay tuned. Gang.